The last little note that I have on here is serotonin. Why did I put that here? Serotonin is not one of your conventional hormones, but I call it a brain hormone because it helps, it's a neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitters can be things that help your brain talk to your body and do things. So in the event of, let's say, a stressful event, you have not only cortisol, but you also had a brain hormone called adrenaline, and that actually helps other types of things that we're not going to discuss today. Serotonin is our feel-good hormone because it actually can calm our mood, it can relax us, and we can feel good. And this is all very supportive and good for stress, and it even helps us with our memory. So when you have these things coming from serotonin, you're feeling good. You're not going to reach for those candy bars or cakes, which means this is going to be better. You're not going to be reaching for those terrible types of food meals that we usually choose in America here. You're going to be choosing something you're actually not even going to be craving as much. So getting your serotonin back in balance is actually really important, and that's something that I like to look for. And going back to our restorative pharmaceutical picture, where we talk about how it's not maybe just giving back the bioidentical hormones, it might also include other vitamins and things like starting materials. So you look at serotonin, it's actually being made from certain amino acids, like tryptophan. So there's a very popular thing that I like to recommend, 5-HTP. And that's pretty much the starting material. So 5-hydroxytryptophan is a starting material for serotonin. And then there's a few other things that we talk about when someone needs to uplift their serotonin levels. Basically, the message is when you don't feel good because you don't have enough serotonin, you are probably eating more or eating poorly, craving things, so then you gain weight, and the stressful situations that you're under, you actually can't handle them as well as you could. And all of this actually affects the thyroid. So that's why it's very important to have all of these working together.